Lightning Talk. HubbleIQ is a digital experience management platform. We help organizations ensure that their users, whether they're customers or employees, can effectively do their job using technology. There is endpoint experience, which is the performance of a digital piece of technology. All of you guys here have endpoints. Your computer is an endpoint. Your phone is an endpoint. Point of sale, right? Digital manufacturing. And then this one is an important one. Digital customer experience is how customers are digitally interacting with your service. So why is digital experience important? Well, it's simple. It impacts the bottom line directly. When your employees are constantly having technology interruptions, you are losing money. They're not doing what they're supposed to do. And then in addition to that, if you are in IT support and you're constantly trying to deal with these issues, you are losing productivity as well. Customer experience goes down. No customer wants to interact with a clunky product, slow. They will either not convert or they will leave. Employee engagement. When you lose focus, you're not going to be engaged. When your content has always been an important aspect of an organization, think about the centralized office. Companies spend a lot of money ensuring that their employees and customers have good experience. This is not an easy thing, right? It's not simple. First of all, when you're dealing with a distributed or remote environment, you lack the visibility to see what's going on the end user's side. How do you know who's having an issue? And what type of issue are they facing? In addition to that, every remote environment is diverse. Think about all of you guys when you're at home. You have different providers. There's BYOD, different devices. You're also set up very differently, right? That presents complexity when an organization is trying to support digital experience. We all use multiple technologies in order to work or function or consume a service. Workplaces, they just don't work anymore. They're highly reactive, they're manual, and they're very, very frustrating. How do we solve this problem? Well, our digital culture needs to change. It needs to be more in par with the new distributed and digital work environment. First of all, organizational leaders, whether you're HR, you're IT, you really need to learn and adapt. Adopt new policies. Digital policies are important now. Make sure that there's digital readiness when you're deploying a device, when your employees are actually meant for the digital work environment. Empower end users with self-service. This is very important. You cannot be at every single environment to analyze what's happening. Empower them with self-service, troubleshooting, whatever it is, so they can solve their own problems. What happens here, if you do that, is you get them to productivity faster, and then in addition to that, you reduce incoming trouble tickets. And then you can focus on other important things. Importantly, you're building and promoting a healthier and happier work environment. HubbleIQ really helps you manage any technical risks that exist between where an end user is sitting, regardless of where they are, all the way to the services that they're consuming, whether it's an application or in the cloud. The benefit for you is you're able to see the problem and fix it fairly quickly, and keeping your users, whether it's your customer or employees, productive and happy. This is an actual map. These companies that you see here care about digital experience. They know exactly what's happening with their endpoints. They know exactly what's happening digitally with their customers. Before I end, I'll tell you a little bit of a story. HubbleIQ, we are very mission-oriented. We started HubbleIQ to help everyone access the digital opportunities, because we believe digital opportunities are, working. For example, if you're not set up correctly, you may not be able to get a job. Nobody's going to hire you. Medical, healthcare, right? You need to be set up digitally. Education, so it's extremely important. That's why we put out a free Chrome extension that you can all download to empower yourselves to navigate connectivity issues. We have over 30,000 monthly active users that are using our free Chrome extension today. So go to the Google Chrome store, just type in HubbleIQ and you will find our free Chrome extension. So if you want to learn more, and for organizations, if you want to learn more about how we help businesses manage technical issues that impact digital experience, please reach out to me. Scan this QR code, learn more on our website. We're over there. So come visit us. And then we have a contest. If you schedule a meeting with me to learn more, you can win a weekend in Napa. Thank you so much.